Hello guys, welcome back. I would go on that crop options where I have to crop the image guys from its upper side, and after doing that friends I would go on that beautiful border where that one outer side border I have to select for it, which is a red color. And now guys I have to choose that inner side border, which is like that one guys. These two borders have been chosen for the photo friends. Now I would go on that option guys, where I have to choose that beautiful brushes options, and here guys I have to choose that rose flowers for it friends, which are available on that side of the image guys. And here friends, these flowers I have to select for it guys, which I have to select for it.